Hi, I'm Miss Shilcock.
I'm Hunter.
And today we're going to show you how to make 2 types of Play-Doh or play clay using things you might have in your kitchen or bathroom. So the first one is this kind of traditional Play-Doh, like a salt dough. Take that. And the second is this fairy dough, which is really light and special and silky. So let's make a start. Okay, so to make the first kind of Play-Doh, you are going to need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, half a cup of boiling water, half a cup of oil and some food colouring, and you're going to need a cup to measure. It doesn't matter what size your cup is as long as you use the same cup every time. Right, so we're going to start by adding 2 cups of flour to a mixing bowl. It can be plain flour or self-raising flour, it doesn't matter. And 1 whole cup of salt. And now I'm going to add half a cup of cooking oil. It can be vegetable oil, sunflower oil, any oil. So it's half a cup. Now I need half a cup of water, and it needs to be very hot water or water that's been boiled in the kettle. So you will need a grown-up to help you with this part. So here's half a cup hot water from the kettle. And the last thing we're going to add is a tiny bit of food colouring, just for colour. We only have red, but you can use any colour you want. Just a few drops. And Hunter, just start stirring that with a spoon. Okay, so once the dough's come together, I'm just going to get out on the tabletop and start kneading it until it really feels like a proper dough. If it's a little bit too dry, I could add a tiny drop of water to it. If it feels really sticky, I could add a tiny bit more flour until it's just how I want it. It shouldn't stick to your hands. You should be able to mould it into shapes. Okay, so this is your basic dough. This dough is really nice to play with. You can make shapes out of it, make animals out of it. You can also roll it out and use cookie cutters with it to create shapes, anything you want really. Keep it in an ice cream tub. It will last you for a few weeks. You can make different colours, and you can even mix them together to make a kind of marble dough, though eventually it will turn brown. So I've got my yellow and pink here. I can mix these together for this really nice effect. Okay, so that's how to make a really basic Play-Doh using just flour, salt, oil and water. Now we're going to show you how to make something a bit more special, which is this really soft fairy dough using hair conditioner and cornflour. So if you've got any hair conditioner in your bathroom and any cornflour, maybe left over from your squishy soap, we're going to show you how to make this. It also smells really good. Smell that.
So to make this fairy dough, we're going to mix 2.5 cups of cornflour with 1 cup of conditioner. We're going to add some food colouring just to give it that extra colour. And we're going to add some edible glitter too.
Just to make it shiny. Right, so let's make a start.
Yeah.
Okay, so Hunter, what's the first thing I need to add?
You need to add 2.5 cups of corn flour.
Okay, so I'm using this slightly smaller cup today. Okay, and now?
Now I'm going to add 1 cup of conditioner.
Okay, what else do I need?
Some food colouring.
Okay, and I'm just going to throw some of this edible glitter in just to make it sparkly. Okay, so I just start mixing?
Yep.
Okay, so if this is feeling a little bit too sticky, what should I do?
I think you should add a bit more cornflour.
Just a little bit more corn flour. Okay, so here is my fairy dough finished. As you can see, it's lovely and stretchy and silky and feels really nice to play with. The more corn flour you add, the more stiff it will be, so the more it will hold its shape. But as it is, it's kind of like a cross between dough and slime. It's lovely to play with. Again, if you keep this in a Tupperware box or wrapped in plastic, it will last you for a few weeks. So it's really nice to play with. And if it does dry out, you can always just add another drop of conditioner and it'll sort of come back to life. So Hunter, how's that Play-Doh feel?
Feels really nice.
Feels good, right?
Yeah.
This dough's amazing. I'm going to have fun playing with this. Right, can you remember the ingredients to make this classic Play-Doh?
Flour, salt, water, and oil.
Good. And which ingredient do you need a grown-up to help you with?
Water.
Because?
You boil it, and if you touch it, it will be very hot.
Good. So you need a grown-up to help you boil the water in the kettle. And this special dough, this fairy dough, what ingredients went into this? Can you remember?
Conditioner and cornflour.
Brilliant. So this is just corn flour and conditioner and whatever colour you want to add to it. So that's 2 types of dough you can make. Obviously have a look on the internet. There's lots of recipes for Play-Doh using 2 ingredients, 3 ingredients. Have fun. Make sure you ask a grown-up if you're going to use anything in your kitchen or bathroom, and make sure that you stay safe, especially if you're using boiling water. Okay? Have fun. Enjoy yourself. Have fun with your dough. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.